Hey guys, in this video we are going to create a simple calculator program. Now that we know how switches work, this will be a very simple program. Let's begin by declaring our variable at the top. We will need a character for an operator. We will name this OP. Okay, the operator will be either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, just let's declare char, that would be character. Okay, char OP. Now we need two numbers to for the addition, multiplication or division. Then we will declare double num1 and double num2. Okay, and we will need one more variable to hold the result. That would be result. Okay, I'll add a bunch of asterisks. Okay, let's just do std. Okay, std cout, then couple of asterisks, and we will write here calculator. Okay, then I'll add a new line to the end. Whenever my program ends, I will create another line of asterisks. Okay, just copy paste the same. Okay, whenever my program will end, I want to print this line. Let's ask the user what operand they would like. Okay, just let's prompt the question std colon cout. Okay, enter either plus, minus, into and divide, whatever you want. Okay, and for the input we will go std followed by colon cin. Okay, our operator is op, right? Now we will prompt a question for the first input std cout. Okay, enter first number. Okay, then what will be the first operand? Then we will, for the cin, std cin num1. Okay, in the same way I'll go for the num2. Okay, std cout, enter num2, that is input for num2. Okay, now we will go ahead and create switch. Okay, in order to create the calculator. Okay, this is a switch auto generated. We need expression. We will pass this operand op. Okay, then in first case we will go for the addition. Okay, for the addition we will go addition. Okay, and we will type result is equal to num1 plus num2, right? And we will print out our result std cout result. Okay, result will be in result variable. Add new line in order to make it readable. Okay, this is for the addition. In the same way we can go for the subtraction, multiplication, division and whatever mathematical operation you want in between two numbers, and then we can go ahead and just go fast for that. Okay, this is subtraction and this is multiplication and this one is division. Okay, now we have another is left, that is a default one. If someone is entered which is not in division, multiplication or followed all those parameters which we have mentioned, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then we can go ahead and print default output. Okay, what will be the default? We can just go ahead and give any message. Okay, right, we can, this wasn't the valid response. Okay, this, now we can go ahead and save the program and hit run. Okay, now it's asking for select the operator. Let's go ahead, select plus. Okay, enter, then num1 let's add 25, num2 add 25, 24. Its result is 49. Okay, that's performed. Our division, addition has been performed. And now we will go ahead and check subtraction. Let's, for subtraction, add number 1, that is 25 first num, and let's add 27. Okay, minus 2. Correct. Again run the program in order to check the division. For the division, let's go ahead and 22. Sorry, we have to first select the operator. Number 1 22, number 2 2, 44. And for now for the division, let's go ahead and select division, and now select 22 first num, second to 11. If somebody goes, what if somebody does type invalid operator? let's add default. We have added the default case. Okay, just go ahead and let somebody goes into your program and type A. Okay, run the program. A 2 2. That wasn't a valid response because there is nothing operator like A. Okay, this is a console based calculator. You can go ahead add other functionality if you love to do, and this is the simple and it's very compact also. Yeah guys, that is the switch based console calculator, and if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.